I'm going to tell you some facts about Mina. Mina is a 9-minute drive from Makkah. The pilgrims stay in Mina for days and nights, offering prayers, reading the Quran, and listening to Islamic lectures. Mina is where the hard stone Jamarat pillars are. The pilgrims throw stones at the Jamarat pillars. Eid al-Adha is celebrated in Mina. The idea of tent is established during Hajj, and when the Hajis or pilgrims come in Mina, they offer prayers, recite the Quran, and hear Islamic lectures. In Mina, Eid al-Adha is celebrated. I hope you like my facts about Mina. Bye. Now I'm going to tell you about Arafah. In plain Arafah is a barren, deserted place where the pilgrims or Hajis stand thinking about their past sin and asking Allah for mercy and forgiveness. They also listen to scholars on Mount Arafah, which spread important teachings about Islam. Also, did you know Adam alayhi salam met Hawa on Mount Arafah? I hope you like my facts about Arafah. Bye.